Have you ever wondered about the creepiest creatures in Australia? Picture a land where danger lurks in every corner. A vast expanse teeming with creatures that send shivers down the spine. Australia, a land of contrasts, where the beauty of its landscapes is only surpassed by the terror of its wildlife. A variety of deadly creatures call this country home, each more fearsome than the last. From white sharks patrolling the ocean depths, to saltwater crocodiles ruling the waterways, from an array of 10,000 spider species, to insects so bizarre they seem out of this world. And let's not forget the most venomous snakes on Earth, each more lethal than the last. The very thought of these creatures is enough to instill fear in the hearts of even the most intrepid travelers. But fear not, for we are here to guide you through this perilous journey. Today, we'll delve into the world of Australia's most dangerous creatures. Australia is home to some of the world's most venomous snakes. Picture this, the Australian outback, a vast, sun-scorched land where survival is the name of the game. Among the creatures that have mastered this game are a variety of venomous snakes, each with their unique traits and chilling capabilities. First, let's slither our way to the eastern brown snake. This snake's venom packs a punch. It contains neurotoxins which can cause paralysis, and coagulants that can lead to fatal internal bleeding. This snake is not one to be trifled with, and it's not just its venom that's a threat, it's also incredibly fast and highly aggressive when cornered. Despite its deadly reputation, this snake prefers to avoid human interaction, often fleeing at the first sign of trouble. Now let's venture deeper into the heart of Australia to meet the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. Don't let the unassuming name fool you. This snake holds the title for the most venomous snake in the world. One bite from this creature can inject enough venom to kill 100 grown men. The venom of the inland taipan is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, hemotoxins, and myotoxins, wreaking havoc on the nervous system, blood, and muscles respectively. These snakes inhabit various regions across Australia. The eastern brown snake is found along the east coast, while the inland taipan prefers the arid regions of central Australia. Their habitats may differ, but their potential for danger is a common thread. But it's not all doom and gloom. These venomous snakes play a vital role in controlling the population of their prey, such as rodents and small mammals, maintaining a balance in the ecosystem. They're also the subject of medical research, with their venom being used to develop life-saving medications. So while it's crucial to respect and steer clear of these snakes, it's equally important to appreciate their role in nature. After all, they're just trying to survive like everything else in the Australian outback. Despite their deadly nature, these snakes play a crucial role in Australia's ecosystem. Australia's waters are a breeding ground for dangerous sea creatures. Among the most notorious of these marine menaces are the great white shark and the saltwater crocodile. Both of these creatures are not just apex predators, but they are also both fascinating and yes, quite terrifying. Let's dive into the domain of the great white shark first. These formidable fish rule the roost in Australia's southern oceanic territories. Great whites are not just predators, they are the embodiment of marine power, reaching lengths of up to 20 feet and weights of over 2,000 pounds. Their torpedo-shaped bodies are built for speed, and their teeth, well, they're the stuff of nightmares. Razor-sharp and regenerative, a great white's bite is a deadly tool for hunting and tearing apart prey. But let's not get too shark-focused. Australia's northern waters are home to a reptilian ruler that's just as fearsome. Enter the saltwater crocodile. These prehistoric predators, also known as salties, are the world's largest living reptiles, growing up to 23 feet long. They are known for their explosive ambush hunting strategy, lying in wait at the water's edge and then lunging at their prey with terrifying speed. And when a salty gets a grip on its victim, it performs a horrifying death roll, spinning and twisting until the prey is subdued. So whether you're swimming in the southern seas or navigating the northern waters, Australia's aquatic environment is teeming with creatures that command respect and caution. These are not mindless monsters, but rather perfectly adapted predators in their natural habitats. They are a crucial part of the ecosystem, maintaining the balance of life under the waves and reminding us that nature is as ruthless as it is beautiful. The sea is as beautiful as it is treacherous in Australia. Australia hosts an array of creepy crawlers that can send shivers down your spine, and among these, spiders take center stage. With a staggering 10,000 species calling this continent home, the diversity is enough to make even the bravest shudder. Two in particular, the Sydney funnel web spider and the redback spider, have a notorious reputation. The Sydney funnel web spider, as its name suggests, is predominantly found in and around Sydney. This arachnid is deemed one of the most dangerous spiders in the world, thanks to its potent venom that can cause serious illness or even death in humans if not treated promptly. Its fangs, stronger than a snake's, can penetrate shoe leather. Their dark, glossy bodies and funnel-shaped webs are a sight that few would want to encounter on a leisurely walk. Moving on to another eight-legged terror, we have the redback spider. Recognizable by the red stripe on its back, this spider's bite can cause severe pain, sweating, and even paralysis. Though fatalities are rare with modern antivenom, the redback's bite is no laughing matter. But spiders aren't the only creepy crawlers to watch out for in Australia. Enter the giant centipede. This nightmarish creature can reach up to 6 inches in length. Its venomous bite can cause intense pain and, in rare cases, has even proven fatal. The giant centipede is an aggressive predator, preying on everything from spiders to small mammals. However, despite their terrifying reputation, these creatures play a critical role in the ecosystem. They keep the population of other pests in check and contribute to the balance of nature. It's a classic case of beauty being in the eye of the beholder. While some see a nightmare, others see nature's pest control. These creepy crawlers are as fascinating as they are terrifying. So, the next time you're in Australia, remember to appreciate these creatures from a safe distance. For as nerve-wracking as they may be, they're an integral part of Australia's unique and diverse wildlife. Even the flora of Australia can be dangerous. With a reputation for housing some of the world's deadliest creatures, Australia doesn't stop at its fauna. It extends this notoriety to its plant kingdom as well. Let's talk about one such plant that has gained infamy for its excruciating sting, the Gympie Gympie plant. The Gympie Gympie, also known as Dendrocnide moroides, is a plant native to the rainforest areas in the northeastern part of Australia. At first glance, this plant appears harmless, with large heart-shaped leaves that could easily blend into the lush greenery. But don't let its innocent looks deceive you. The Gympie Gympie is covered in tiny, almost invisible stinging hairs that deliver a potent neurotoxin when touched. Imagine a sudden intense pain that feels like you're being burnt by acid and electrocuted at the same time. That's what a brush with Gympie Gympie feels like. The pain is so intense that it has driven humans and animals to the brink of madness. There are tales of horses throwing themselves off cliffs after coming into contact with this plant. Humans aren't immune either. Stories abound of the agony experienced by those unfortunate enough to touch or even just brush past this plant. The stinging hairs of the Gympie Gympie act like hypodermic needles, piercing the skin and injecting the neurotoxin. The worst part? These hairs can remain embedded in the skin, continuing to release the toxin and causing pain for months, even years after the initial contact. And if you think you're safe in the dry season, think again. The dead leaves can still sting. So the next time you find yourself wandering through the rainforests of Australia, remember, not all that looks harmless is safe. Keep a safe distance from the intriguing flora unless you're prepared to dance with the devilish Gympie Gympie. In Australia, even the plants have a sting in their tail. Australia's creatures are as diverse as they are deadly. From the vast outback to the blue depths of its surrounding seas, Australia is a land of unparalleled danger and beauty. We've journeyed through its venomous snake population, where even the smallest bite can send you straight to the hospital. We've explored the ocean's depths, where white sharks and saltwater crocodiles rule with an iron fin. We've crawled alongside the 10,000 species of spiders, each more spine-chilling than the last, and we've even braved the flora, where danger lurks in the most unsuspecting of petals. Behind the long fence of Australia, local residents have isolated themselves from these terrifying secrets, a testament to the country's wild allure. Each creature and plant is a part of Australia's rich tapestry, contributing to its unique ecosystem. So the next time you plan a trip to Australia, remember to respect its unique and dangerous wildlife.